Get ready for some of the best and most useful car accessories available on Amazon, so without further ado, let's get started. This smart device may look like a standard license plate holder, but it holds a hidden feature. It doubles as a safe. Featuring a dual locking mechanism, you can either use the physical buttons on the side to open and close it, or use the Bluetooth feature by installing the dedicated app. This gadget enables sharing access and tracking your vehicle's location and key. In case of a car accident, emergency contacts will be notified of your vehicle's location. Additionally, the app sends intrusion alerts, and with its easy installation and durable materials, this multifunctional contraption is designed to work effective for a very long time. Be prepared to be amazed by this exceptional OBD scanner. Beyond its diagnostic capabilities, this device boasts an array of other impressive features. Imagine effortlessly locating your car in a crowded parking lot, or monitoring your travel mileage in real time. With this device, you can monitor your car's condition like a professional. The accompanying app delivers precise engine updates and comprehensive fuel consumption data. Stay informed and in command with notifications, alerting you if your car starts moving or exceeds a specific speed. Also, remember to customize your experience by setting up custom notification for potential accidents or malfunctions. This is a top-selling device, known for its exceptional radar and laser detection capabilities, the Escort iX Laser Radar Detector. This sleek and compact gadget inherits advanced features from the 9500 iX, offering next-generation performance at an affordable price. With its long-range early warning system, the iX ensures high-level protection while introducing built-in Bluetooth connectivity to improve convenience. Featuring a multicolor OLED display, this detector not only alerts you to threats, but also assists in making informed decisions on the road. For enhanced defense, sync the detector with the Escort Live app on your smartphone to receive real-time crowdsourced threat alerts. With its intelligent features and impressive detection abilities, the Escort iX is an essential companion for frequent travelers and those with a lead foot, offering the ultimate solution for avoiding unwanted speeding tickets on the highway. This one worth checking out, an exceptional puncture repair kit for tires, designed for both reliability and ease of use. With this kit, there's no need to remove the tire, simply screw in the plugger and fix the mushroom plug to effectively seal the tire from the inside, ensuring a long-lasting repair. The package features over a dozen plugs for ample supply, and a durable rust-proof stainless steel nozzle that ensures longevity. But there is more. The gun kit takes the process even further, using the same high-quality materials for even easier and faster repairs. You know safety is essential while driving, right? Then boost your visibility on the road with this lightning gadget. Simply attach the panels to your side mirrors, and you're done. Rest assured, these panels won't compromise your view on the road. Each one features 33 LEDs, forming dynamic arrows that catch everyone's attention. Their sequential lighting makes them even more noticeable while driving. Available in amber and red color options. They are compatible with most cars, SUVs, and trucks. Just remember to verify your car's compatibility before installation. Bid farewell to car jump-starting issues if you have this compact device hidden in your glove box. Not only does it excel in jump-starting dead batteries, but it also equipped in handling variety of other tasks. Prepare for a device that excels in even the most extreme conditions. Looking to catch the eye of fellow drivers on the road? Activate the hazard flashing lights for added safety. Shed some light on the situation using the built-in flashlight when you're inspecting the engine. In case your phone's battery is running low, fear not. Use this gadget as a convenient power bank to keep your device juiced up. Next, revive your dead battery in few seconds with this powerful and compact device. Boasting a 1000 amp capacity, this incredible device ensures you always have the power you need, precisely when you need it. With patented safety technology providing spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, it guarantees safety for anyone to use. Designed to handle diesel engines up to 3 liters, and also suitable for cars, boats, and trucks with gas engines up to 6 liters. This incredible jumpstarter also serves as a power source for your USB devices, allowing you to recharge your smartphones or tablets on the go. Additionally, it's equipped with 100 lumen LED flashlight with SOS mode that ensures you're prepared for any emergencies. Imagine the peace of mind you'll experience, knowing that the GD40 can jumpstart your vehicle up to 20 times on a single charge. Fed up with struggling to drive in dark roads? Whether you live in rural areas or facing poorly lit roads, meet your solution, the laser lamp. With its advanced headlight system, it offers a remarkable 100-fold increase in luminance compared to standard headlights, providing you a clear vision up to a kilometer ahead. Bid farewell to squinting and eye straining, as this remarkable accessory guarantees optimal visibility, boosting safety and peace of mind. Bid farewell to dirty and dull headlight lenses that tarnish your car's appearance and compromises visibility. Meet the White New Headlight Restoring Kit, equipped with all the essentials for achieving a clean and glossy finish. With a simple process, taking approximately 15 minutes for both headlights. It involves 4 easy steps. Start by using the provided microfiber rag and a clean water to remove the initial dirt layers, then use the 2-sided sanding pad, starting with the 2000 grade side to remove heavy contaminants, and finish off the polishing with the 3000 grade side. Once the headlight dries, apply the White New coating to ensure long-lasting cleanliness. Need a closer look at those hard-to-reach places in your car? Get this diagnostic mirror that features a built-in camera and a LED lighting that captures every detail and instantly send the footage to your smartphone app. Whether for real-time viewing or saving for future reference, the choice is yours. Its telescopic handle extends, guaranteeing access to places that would have been difficult to reach. Need to examine the vehicle while it's moving? Simply attach the device beneath the car using the magnetic base attachment. In case you drive through a freshly constructed roads and encounter stubborn bitumen stains on the body of your car, use this tar cleaner in an aerosol can to safely remove dirt on your car's body without damaging your paintwork. Its composition is completely inactive to car enamels, ensuring no adverse effect on your vehicle's exterior. Well, this Astro AI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's performance while saving you money. Its sleek and lightweight design ensures easy portability and fits into your vehicle's trunk, garage, or toolbox or anywhere you might need it. With the Set It and Forget feature, simply preset your desired pressure, and the compressor will automatically inflate to that level and shut off. This gadget is suitable for tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles. It offers precise result, displayed on a clear backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. Equipped with a clip-on chuck and other accessories, it makes inflating tires even easier, and simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables to keep you going on all your life's adventures. Fixing dents on your car is made easier with this reverse dent puller. Whether caused by hail or from minor accidents, fortunately, dents can now be fixed without the need for professional assistance. This tool grips a special fungus glued to the center of the dent, which with precise blows, pulls the metal back into place. The kit includes 29 different fungi for various dent sizes. The rear shelf holder is an ideal addition for owners of Volkswagen, Golf, GTI, Rabbit, and various hatchback models. It includes 2 straps and decorative elements that elevates the trunk shelf when the trunk is opened. This straightforward installation makes loading and unloading your car's trunk much easier. Looking to maximize the efficiency of your car journeys? The Bayou Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit offers a complete wireless solution for your automotive needs. This comprehensive kit includes a range of tools, from a wireless car vacuum with versatile nozzles to a phone charger, inflator pump, high-pressure car wash gun, and even portable lighting. From cleaning to inflating, washing, or more, this kit caters to all your needs. Crafted from premium materials, it ensures durability, making it a wise long-term investment for the future of your vehicle. Next, give your car the ultimate protection with this innovative car tent. Serving as a protective shield, it safeguards your parked vehicle from weather damages and dust. Moreover, this car umbrella helps maintain a cool interior during scorching heat, reducing harmful emissions and potential health hazards from a heated interior. With anti-theft steel wire rope security, super suction cups, and silver-coated PU material, it can cool the interior by up to 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Show your car some love and care with this remarkable accessory. Discover the magic of converting your car stereo into a mini PC with the CarPC AA dongle, a compact USB marvel that brings full Android functionality to your vehicle's infotainment system. Running on a stable Android 9 platform, this groundbreaking device features 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, and the option for 4G LTE support. Simply plug it into your car's USB port, tap the Android Auto icon, and unlock the boundless potential of Android. Enjoy unrestricted access to apps like Netflix and YouTube, or indulge in your favorite games. Just remember to avoid it while driving, for safety purposes. Ideal for organization enthusiasts, this 2-pack car seat pocket organizer transforms your center console into a well-orderly haven. Snugly fit it between your seat and the center console to offer convenient trays for all essential items. Featuring an anti-slip cover, they ensure secure placement at all times. Cover plates for the inner sill of vehicles serve both protective and decorative purposes. Made from stainless steel, they are wear-resistant and durable. When you open the door, they activate, revealing lighted inscriptions on the sill. Various illumination options are available, offering different colors and operational principles. Picture this. In the dark, as you open the door, they lights up the logo of your car, similar to premium cars. Never again skip your essential caffeine boost in the morning. With this portable coffee maker, you can brew coffee right in your car, even during a busy commute or traffic jam. Just add water, insert a coffee capsule, and press the button to start brewing. The handy lid of the device can also double as a cup for easy enjoyment. Watch as the coffee maker heats the water, and the built-in pump pushes it through the capsule, delivering your perfect cup of morning coffee on the move. Eliminate the hassle of loading luggage onto your car's roof with this innovative doorstep. Simply hook it over the U-shaped door latch, and step onto it with ease. The rugged anti-slip surface ensures safety and stability, while the wide design makes it easy to stand with both feet. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it combines lightweight construction with durability. Worried about potential car damage? Fear not, as the coated hook and rubber bumper protect against scratches and marks. Compatible with all cars, it's small enough to be stored in your center console, ensuring it's always near for hassle-free loading. Meet my favorite portable electric tire inflator. Equipped with an easy-to-read OLED display, intuitive buttons, internal cooling fans, and a 2,500 mAh lithium battery, the Hodo portable electric tire inflator is one of the best car accessories you can have. Not only is it sleek and compact, but this smart air pump can easily inflate anything, from car, bike tires, or balls, and it automatically stops when the desired pressure is reached. Recharging is easy with its Type-C port, allowing you to power up on the go. Next, have you ever thought of how to shield your car from the weather damages while keeping its battery charged? This advanced cover offers protection against sun, rain, snow, and dust, while also featuring a built-in solar panel and battery charger. Say goodbye to dead batteries, and welcome to carefree driving with the Hyperion car cover. This gadget keeps your car pristine and your battery ready for any journey. Don't settle for ordinary car accessories when you can have the best. Invest in this essential DVR gadget to ensure a safer and more connected driving experience on the road. Offering crisp 1080p quality, 4G internet, Wi-Fi, and GPS. This gadget operates on an Android system with a touchscreen interface. With built-in Bluetooth connectivity, you can seamlessly connect your phone or other devices. The Android platform enables convenient navigation directly on the mirror and supports various other applications. Additionally, the package includes a rear-view camera to guide you when parking. Car owners frequently encounter the challenge of a dirty engine, with residues of lubricating fluid attracting dust and dirt on the engine housing. While you can pay a car wash service to temporarily resolve this, there's a more convenient solution. A spray gun for engine washing will efficiently tackle this task. With unique design, it can penetrate hard-to-reach areas of your car's engine, ensuring thorough cleaning. Additionally, the gun is equipped with an atomizer, enhancing its effectiveness. Next, here's the perfect solution for cleaning up the dirt in your car. Despite its compact size, this vacuum packs an incredible suction power. With a 20-minute battery life, it handles continuous cleaning effortlessly. Its convenient nozzle makes it tackle those tricky corners and air vents with ease. Bid farewell to sand by blasting it away with the blow nozzle. Enhance the quality of your car washing routine with this foam generator. Equipped with a container with divisions, it facilitates mixing different concentrations of cleaning liquids with water at precise proportions. Adjust the intensity of the foam flow by using the two regulators on the nozzle body. The easily removable adapter provided ensures seamless connection to the car wash system. What's included in the package is a special sealing tape to reinforce the connection of the washer hose if broken. Keeping your vehicle clean during road trip is difficult, but this portable vacuum cleaner from ThisWorks can work magic for cleaning on your car. Compact, lightweight and easy to use, this gadget plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet, and its 16-foot cord ensures you can reach every corner of your vehicle's interior. Specially designed for your car's interior to remove both wet and dry debris. It equipped with an extension tube for tight corners, and a brush head for carpets and upholstery. A must-have car gadget for every car owner. Fed up with the chaos in your trunk during vacations? Meet your ultimate solution, the Car Trunk Organizer. Its expanded capacity holds all your belongings, ensuring security even during off-roading. Lightweight and compact, it folds or expands into a heavy-duty bag with dual compartments. With a sturdy baseplate, it provides stability, while securing straps and anchors keep it in place. Non-slip strips prevent sliding when fully loaded, and the convenient side pockets are great for storing small items like screws and pliers. Bid farewell to car clutter and enjoy a tidy trunk on your trips. For drivers with cars that are not equipped with Parktronic, consider a wide-angle Fresnel lens for the rear window as a practical alternative. It serves a similar function like the complex system of Parktronic and aids in parking maneuvers. In just 5 minutes, you can easily install the lens at the center of the rear window, and it will improve visibility and facilitates easy parking in tight spaces. This is the list of some of the best car accessories available on Amazon. If you got value from this video, by all means, hit the like button, so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you want to see more of these tech gadgets in action, subscribe to this channel for videos like this every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the most fascinating gadgets that'll make your life so much easier. I am Philip, and thanks for checking out this episode. Catch you in the next one.